What is it that guards the security of your home? What is it that facilitates your access every day? Locked for security. Unlocked for honesty. In 1998, Locstar set off from the innovative city Shenzhen. Based on modern industry, Locstar has gained insights into a tremendous momentum. Explored unknown realms. Contained a sense of security in locks. And walked all the way to become a leader in smart locks. Each encounter is an ultimate experience. Each product is a kind of attentive protection. Through deep exploration for over 2 decades, the company specializes in the development of new smart locks. From product design and development to the delivery of finished products. With leading technology and outstanding product quality. With the spirit and practice of craftsmen, Locstar follows the business philosophy of pursuing development by innovation. Makes concerted efforts and collaborates for a win-win situation. The company stands up to tests in ups and downs. Keeps enriching the types of products, which are widely applicable to hotels, apartments, offices, and other fields. The company provides supporting smart management system software and solutions to become a respectable and reliable supplier of security products. With many honors and prizes, a solid foundation has been laid for creating a world-class electronic smart lock enterprise. At every point in the history, with every breakthrough in technology, accumulation makes the extraordinary. Create a top-class enterprise and make the best door lock. From a startup to the scale of production today. From the first lock to the smart lock today. From the first customer to customers around the world today. Empower life with scientific and technological innovation. Make the future at fingertips. Locstar unlocks a more intelligent, more convenient and safer living environment. Become a leader of the smart lock industry. Bring greater safety and convenience during travel. The best choice for those who love and care home.